Hi there, Wagwan, what's up, what pre? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright? Hey guys, what's up? Wagwan, what pre? Yeah, don't know the thing said Patois Day. Yeah, I'm going back to Patois Day instead of Patois Chronicles. Start down below and tell me which one your brother. Alright, when did the first slave arrive here in Jamaica? I don't know. Tell me now. 23. Even though I walk through the gully, I'm afraid for dead. I'm not afraid of no wickedness, cause you're dead for me. But you stick them, make me happy, and when me sad and I worry. Watch this entire video now. Boom. Now N, the JNT version. The Lord of for me shepherd, me nah go on nothing. He make me lie down in the place where the nice green grass is for yam. Him take me a quiet water side. Yeah. He make my soul chang. Him show me the right way for take. Sake I'm good name sake. Him always do the thing where I know him for do. Even though me walk through the gully where I'm afraid for dead, me nah go afraid of no wickedness. Cause you don't want you dead with me. You stick them make me happy when me sad and I worry. You get one table ready in front of me eye. Right which part me enemy them there. You aisle me head, my cup full till it a run all over. For sure the way all you good and kind nah go left me. For as long as me live, and me will I go live in the Lord house forever and ever. Amen or amen. Blessing. Boom. Oh. Hey. So guys, that is of course in the Patois Chronicles or Patois Day. Yes, that's Creole, aka Patois. Now take a break. Hi guys, now we're in the English translation version, Psalm 23, King James Version. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil, my cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. God bless you all. Thank you very much for watching. I want you to know, just as you have any other language or dialect, that was done in Creole, Jamaica, of course, mother language, Patois. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Yes, we come to the end of another Patois Day video. I'm hungry anyway. Anyway, I invite you to Morning Glory every day at 6 a.m. Of course, Mondays through Fridays, and on Saturdays and Sundays at 7:30 a.m. Game night this week, Thursday, is 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Please check out my members, and if you like what you see, consider subscribe and give me a thumbs up now and comment down below. Bye.